Welcome to China Camp, San Rafael, California. Here's the stuff. Just had to wear this do-rag. A lot of flies were on me, but I applied this insect repellent lotion. No more insects on me. So right now we're still loading. I think we got one more load. We parked a little over there. We got to go downhill. It's like less than a minute to the car. So when you come here, it's a workout. It's a big hill. You come back to your car, downhill. We're unloading, and then we're gonna set up our tents. Monday, August 14th. The flies have cooled off. Rob, when did we get here?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock? Alright, so we've been here since 32 hours. Waiting for the friend Rob, he's the chef, to cook these chicken wings. First night camping ever here. And behind me is my tent. And then barbecue.
Filming, no? See Mike's hike life, no?
Yeah, delicious. I'm just watching and recording. So we're gonna cook all this chicken tonight because we don't have a fridge. Oh, looking good, man.
Oh, right on, man. It's double with cheese.
I'll be slicing these onions. Alright, the food's almost done. Oh, it's already done right there. It is getting darker. But respect Mother Nature. Rise and shine. Good morning. Day 2, 7:22 a.m. Tuesday, August something. A few hours ago it drizzled for like 10 minutes straight. I thought it was gonna rain. Nice and hot.
Yeah, until it boils, like 10 minutes.
It's coming in hot. This will be for the coffee, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so we don't have a midden. So we're gonna MacGyver this. We're gonna pour out this water. The lift of it, how can you pour it out?
Wait till it cools down.
This is cooking rice.
There we go.
Do you feel the heat?
No, not really.
Oh yeah.
You want to grab another cup, bro?
2 cups, right?
Oh, yeah.
I found a way. Alright, paper towel midden.
It really works.
4:02 p.m. August 15. It's hot here, but it's chilly, so I'm shirtless. I'm wearing shorts. So far my experience from this camping, last night's first night, sleeping wasn't that bad. It was somewhat uncomfortable. I got a tarp underneath the tent, and then yoga mat, and then a sleeping bag over it. So I think I started to fall asleep maybe like 1 p.m. I heard people outside noise, people walking to the public restroom. Then I could see their shadow, and I thought they were coming closer to my tent. An hour I heard like coyotes howling, probably like a few blocks away. So I probably had 6 hours of sleep. One friend of mine's got to head out tonight. Another friend still deciding if he'll stay one more night. I don't have a ride back home, but I'll come back in the camping. I love the camping.